Hi everyone, I'm Kristen Butler and I'm here to share with you all the portfolio I have created. This is the home page. So at the top I have my name, beneath that I have a menu selections tab, I have an image of myself, and then if you scroll down a little bit I have an introduction paragraph. In this paragraph it basically highlights my major, my minors, as well as a little bit more information about me so people can get to know me. Beneath that I have a button that attaches to my resume, so if you click there it takes you to the tab. Here's a snapshot of my resume. You can scroll down and see that. Then if you click on Kristen Butler, it takes you right back to the home page. Beneath that, I have an attachment to my LinkedIn profile. So if you click there, it takes you right to my profile, which is nice. And then I have an About Me tab. So you click on that. It's a little bit more information outside of my resume to learn more about who I am. So I talk about my time with Gamma Phi Beta, which is a sorority on campus. I have a link to an external site there to learn more about the Gamma Phi Beta sorority if you're interested. And then if you scroll down, I talk about tennis. I'm an avid tennis player, and the game has really impacted my life. So I talk about that a little bit, and I'm also involved with a volunteer organization. So if you click there, it takes you to that site for grassroots tennis. And then beneath that, I talk a little bit about my time playing club tennis at JMU. Another part of my About Me tab is I created an interactive map using Maptive. I thought this was another cool element to include into my portfolio since it is a digital media tool. It highlights the top 10 places I want to travel to someday. So if you check it out there, you click there and it takes you right to the map, which you're able to move around. You can click on each image and see an actual image of the place as well as where I want to travel to. So it's really cool. You can see the different places there. Okay, and then I have my artifacts. So I decided to do 12 artifacts. So here's a quick little introduction of instructional technology and why I feel as though it's important. Beneath there, if you scroll down, is a snapshot of each of my artifacts. If you click on each artifact, it takes you directly to that tab, which is very convenient. I have a snapshot of the artifact and then a little information, obviously, about what I used to do it, as well as what I thought of the tool. So here is back to the artifact slide. Here's a video that I used using Screencast. So if you take a look there, it sends you right to the thing, and the audio
Constructivism is
working.
focused on learning being an active process in which the learner.
And then I have a little information about that. Back to artifacts. Another one I really enjoyed was the Powtoon. So if you click there, you can take a look at that as well. Takes you right there. Press play. And then it shows you my video. I really liked doing this portfolio. I thought it was really cool because I've never really highlighted all my work I've done before, and I realized how much work we actually did in this class. And then creativity, here's another one you can check out. It's another link to my YouTube video there. Yeah, and then there's information obviously underneath all of that. And then I have a contact page, so if you're interested in reaching out to me or getting to know more about me, you can fill that out and submit there, and it goes directly to my email. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.